compounding investments that grow your money over time. Number 1, stocks. When you are investing in the stock market, you are investing in a public business. And when these businesses grow, you will also grow with them because you are an investor. And how it works is through capital gains and dividends. The moment na may matanggap ka na dividends, you reinvest it back to the stock, or you can also choose different stocks in order for your money to grow on its own. Number 2, REITs. Ito naman ay isang public real estate company na nakipag-partner ka sa malaking corporations tulad ng Ayala, Mega World, and Robinsons. Meron silang mga properties na pinapaupa nila sa market, and when they earn money, since investor ka rin, you also earn through capital appreciation and dividends. And eventually, over time, it will compound on its own. Number 3 is mutual funds. Ito naman ay ginawa ng isang professional fund manager. Halo-halo na yung kanyang mga investments. Pwede sa isang mutual fund, may stocks, may time deposits, may bonds. Kapag nag-invest ka doon, you are diversifying your money into different assets para if in case one stock is not performing well, pero yung iba naman ay performing well, then eventually, tataas pa rin yung value ng pera mo. Yung saying na do not put all your eggs in one basket, dito papasok yun. Number 4 naman ay digital banks. Examples of which are Maya, CIMB, Ownbank, Maribank, and all these other digital banks kasi nagbibigay sila sa'yo ng interest. It may be daily or monthly interest. And kapag itong daily or monthly interest, hinayaan mo lang siya doon sa digital savings account mo, it will also compound over time. Number 5, time deposits. Most of the time, ang nag-offer nito ay ang mga bangko. Naka-lock-in yan siya for a certain period of time. Sabihin na lang natin 5 years yung lock-in period. Kapag kumita na siya on the first year, whatever the interest is, it will also earn interest on the second year, and the third year, and the fourth year. Number 6, Pag-ibig MP2. As of this recording, ang dividend yield nila ay 7.12%. And naka-lock-in yung pera natin for 5 years. So kung nag-invest ka ng pera dito on the first year, whatever din yung kikitain mong dividends, it will also compound on the second year, on the third year, on the fourth year, until mag-mature yung Pag-ibig MP2 investment mo dun. And number 7 is real estate. Historically speaking, if you look at it from a macro perspective, tumataas talaga yung property prices natin. Now, you can earn money in capital appreciation, and if in case you want to rent out your property, then that's also good kasi kikita ka ng pera dun. And over time, it will also compound because of the capital appreciation na nakuha mo from your properties. Based on these 7 compounding investments, ano ba ang gusto mong itry? Let me know in the comment section.